Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 7th of May 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the updates from my side. Whenever I post the video on YouTube, then you will get the notification from my side. Okay, now let's move towards today's analysis, and we are going to start with EURUSD. This is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and EURUSD with a bearish expectation from 112066 and 111717 was the target price. And guys, you can see a very big drop on EURUSD today, and which has hit the target price in the same hour. And I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on EURUSD. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So guys, this signal is on the way. I have supplied the bearish trend in case of USDJPY from 110576 and 110141 is the target price. And guys, you can see the market has already breaks the entry, and USDJPY is going down. So guys, if it continues the bearish pattern like this, then it can go up to 110141. Okay, now let's move towards AUDUSD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So let's talk about AUDUSD. You can see previously we have the upward trend on AUDUSD, but this was a deception. Today 200forexpips.com has provided the bearish trend in case of AUDUSD from 070266 and 069881 was the target price. And guys, however, you can see that 80% of the signal is satisfied till now, and AUDUSD has dropped. So this was a deception that happened early in the morning on 7th of May 2019. So overall guys, be careful with AUDUSD because it's basically in a bullish zone. But today I was expecting you can say that the market has suddenly moved up, and I was expecting that it will make some correction, and the correction has happened on AUDUSD. Now let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on USDCHF with a bullish trend right from 101786 and 102059 is the target price. And guys, you can see a sweet and very good upward trend on USDCHF today, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. Right now, if you look at the USDCHF, it went into the top red boundary and now it's getting the rejection. So that's how we use the trading system. This is about the trading system knowledge, that when the market goes into the top red boundary, then if it is getting the rejection, then it can go down. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it get the boost from the lower red boundaries, then it can go up. And this is how we use the trading system. And let's come back to the signals again, and now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. Similarly, the same situation with USD Canadian dollar. If you look at my signal, I have supplied the bullish trend from 134311 and 134708 is the target price. And guys, you can see a strong and very sweet bullish trend on USD Canadian dollar. And when it entered into the top red boundary, now you can see clear rejections. And even if you look at the price monitor, it is also changing its color into the red. So overall bearish signs are coming on USD Canadian dollar. But overall we are done with our signal because I have supplied the bullish signal, and my traders must have caught this bullish move on this pair. Now let's talk about the massive trade on Great Britain Pound JPY. A simple bearish trend was provided on Great Britain Pound JPY from 145057 and 144234 was the target price. And guys, you can see that the market has gone bearish right from the entry that I have provided in the morning. This candle was closed below as bearish, and after that you can see from many hours Great Britain Pound JPY has finally gone down. At last, I'm going to talk about AUDJPY, the last pair of my signals report. So AUDJPY with a bearish expectation from 77708 and 76929 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but overall AUDJPY has gone down up to 70% of the signal. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today. They must have ended up with profits. Okay guys, for the newcomers, let me explain about the trading system again. Whenever you see that any pair is into the top red boundary, and if it getting the rejection, like you can see on USD Canada, USDCHF right now, the market is making the bearish momentum. So you can sell the pair like it happened here. When the market started to go down from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the pair is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the price monitor is also here to help you. When today the market moved up, it has changed its color into green, and simple, it was a buy signal from the price monitor, and now it's changing its color to red. It means that we can expect the downward momentum on USDCHF, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just in detail, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.